Uncover the surprising and little-known ways to shield yourself from cancer. Cancer is a serious disease that affects millions of people worldwide, but there are several steps you can take to reduce your risk and maintain a healthy lifestyle. 1. Stay informed about your family medical history and discuss any concerns with a healthcare provider. Staying informed about your family medical history and discussing any concerns with a healthcare provider is a key component in reducing your risk of cancer. Having a family history of certain cancers can increase your risk, so it's important to be proactive in discussing your history and any potential screening or prevention options with your doctor. 2. Maintain a healthy diet, with a focus on whole foods and plant-based sources of protein. Whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can help protect against cancer. Eating a diet that is high in plant-based sources of protein, such as legumes, nuts, and seeds, is also linked to a reduced risk of cancer. Avoiding processed and high-fat foods, as well as limiting red and processed meats, can also help reduce your risk. By incorporating a variety of healthy, whole foods into your diet, you can help lower your cancer risk and improve your overall health. 3. Get vaccinated against certain cancers, such as liver and HPV-related cancers. Getting vaccinated against certain cancers, such as liver and HPV-related cancers, can help reduce your risk of developing these types of cancer. The hepatitis B vaccine can help prevent liver cancer, while the HPV vaccine can protect against several types of HPV-related cancers, including cervical, anal, and throat cancers. It is important to talk to your healthcare provider about the recommended vaccines for your age and lifestyle, as well as any potential side effects. 4. Avoid tobacco and limit alcohol consumption. Tobacco use is a major cause of several types of cancer, including lung, throat, and bladder cancer. Limiting alcohol consumption has also been linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including breast, liver, and colorectal cancer. Quitting smoking and limiting alcohol intake can greatly reduce your risk of developing cancer and improve your overall health. 5. Get regular checkups and screenings for early cancer detection. Getting regular checkups and screenings can help detect cancer early, when it is most treatable. This may include regular screenings for cancers such as breast, prostate, and colon cancer, as well as routine physical exams. Your healthcare provider can recommend the appropriate screenings for your age and medical history. 6. Practice safe sex to reduce the risk of HPV-related cancers. Practicing safe sex is important for reducing the risk of HPV-related cancers, such as cervical, anal, and throat cancer. This includes using condoms and getting vaccinated against HPV. HPV is a common sexually transmitted infection that can cause certain cancers if left untreated. By taking steps to protect yourself and your partner during sexual activity, you can help reduce your risk of HPV-related cancers. 7. Reduce stress through activities such as meditation, yoga, and exercise. Chronic stress has been linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine like exercise, yoga, mindfulness meditation, and deep breathing exercises. By managing stress, you can help reduce your risk of cancer and improve your overall health. 8. Breastfeed if possible, as it has been linked to a reduced risk of breast cancer. This is thought to be due to the hormonal changes that occur during breastfeeding, which may reduce a woman's overall lifetime exposure to hormones. Additionally, breastfeeding has been associated with a lower risk of obesity and other health conditions that can increase the risk of cancer. If you are able to breastfeed, it is a safe and beneficial option for both you and your baby. 10. Get treated for chronic infections. Certain types of chronic infections, such as hepatitis B and C, have been linked to an increased risk of liver cancer. Treating these infections can help reduce your risk of developing cancer and improve your overall health. It is important to talk to your healthcare provider about your risk of chronic infections and the best options for treatment. By treating infections, you can help reduce your risk of developing cancer. 11. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for reducing your risk of cancer. Being overweight or obese has been linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, and endometrial cancer. By maintaining a healthy weight, you can help reduce your risk of cancer and improve your overall health. This may include eating a balanced diet, getting regular physical activity, and avoiding fad diets or rapid weight loss methods. Talk to your healthcare provider about the best ways to maintain a healthy weight. Transform your diet and improve your health with a balanced diet book. This book provides you with all the information you need to make healthy food choices, and it's easy to follow and implement. Don't wait, take control of your diet and invest in your health today by clicking the link in the description box now. Plus subscribe and like the video.